Hello everyone! Finding the right wick for the wax and the canister can be very tricky. Let's see how we will manage. Welcome! My name is Sabo and this is Sabo's workshop. Step number 1. Melting the wax. In the meantime, we will prepare the scale and the canister to measure out the net weight. With today's measuring, we will test out the difference between the water and the wax. Step 4. Finding the right wick. After 2 hours, you should be able to see if the flames are steady, not flickering and releasing smoke. The melt pool should appear and reaching side to side of the vessel. After 4 hours, all 3 types of the wicks are performing well. They have reached the full melt pool. 8 and 10 are flickering, but that may change when we add the fragrance oil. Thank you for watching. See you next time.